This is the dish that just screams it's Thanksgiving, and today we're making it deliciously gluten-free. This well-seasoned, traditional Thanksgiving stuffing filled with fresh herbs, butter, and garlic is based off of my mom's recipe that I grew up with, and it can be made with conventional wheat bread or gluten-free. If using gluten-free, start by cutting the bread into cubes and pop it in the oven to dry it out. This will allow it to hold more liquid and flavor. I do this a day or two in advance and store it in the bread bag. To season the bread, begin by melting butter in a frying pan, and you can use more than I did here if you'd like. Then add onions and celery, seasoning with salt and pepper. Once they've softened up a bit, add the chopped garlic, letting it heat through and become fragrant. Then turn off the heat and add the fresh parsley, thyme, and sage. Stir it to combine well and then set it aside to cool. In a small mixing bowl, combine eggs and chicken broth that's been boosted with bouillon for added flavor. The egg prevents the gluten-free bread from falling apart, but there's no need for eggs with conventional bread. Next, place the bread into a large mixing bowl. Pour in the herb mixture, stirring to coat the cubes as evenly as possible. Then gradually add the egg and broth mixture while stirring. This allows all of the cubes of bread to absorb the mixture as evenly as possible. The liquid will sink to the bottom of the bowl, so make sure to dig in there with your spoon. Add more chicken broth until all of the bread has soaked up as much as it can without dripping wet or falling apart. Season with salt and pepper, stirring again to combine it all well. Butter the baking dish and pour the stuffing mixture into the pan. In the oven it goes, and it comes out all toasty brown on top with perfectly moist and tender seasoned bread underneath. And now all we need is the turkey, the mashed potatoes, and the gravy. You can find the recipe for traditional Thanksgiving stuffing at homewithshay.com. Shay Ryan, ABC Action News.